According to IKEA, the future of furniture is circular. Is renting furniture a solution for circularity? If so, does the whole value chain need to be changed? How are companies tapping into this while meeting the bottom line? There is a definite business potential in the renting of furniture. For Fortune Business Insight actually has estimated the market potential of about 142 billion dollars by 2030 in the rental service market size. So that's definitely a business potential. With respect to companies pivoting to this kind of a model, the whole value chain has to be considered. First, let's look at the design of the product itself. So for the design of the product to be made, like for the case of furniture, that needs to be made to fit a circular economy model, we need to consider a lot of aspects as far as durability, modularity, mainly because some of these modules need to be disassembled so that they can be repaired and remanufactured. So the design aspect needs to be considered. So when you change the design aspect, you need to kind of look into who your suppliers are, who your downstream systems like resellers, your repair facilities. So all of those things need to be examined. The next aspect is with respect to logistics. So now you have included in your logistics puzzle the need to kind of have some of these products or these products which are returned by the customers to be taken back from these return centers. They have to be collected and so on and so forth. So that reverse logistics piece, which you have not considered till now, needs to be looked into as well. Then it's a question of the remanufacturing and refurbishing part in your production system. Your production system might not be well equipped to accommodate this flow of materials or products coming back from the customer and getting refurbished. So you need to kind of look into whether it can be accommodated in your current facility or it needs to be kind of having a dedicated facility. So there is a lot of impact on that as well. Now, in terms of material recovery, so you are now looking at parts which are coming back, which may not actually go back into a product. They need to be kind of recycled. So there is an additional flow of materials that need to be recycled or recovered. So you need to kind of provide the proper streams for them to kind of go into those facilities. Now, if you're looking at renting and your initial product will have gone through a lot of regulatory compliances and as well as quality checks, you need to ensure that is applicable for your return, your products which you're actually putting in for the circular economy model, like renting as well, so that your product is guaranteed to kind of perform as per the customer's requirements. So definitely the whole value chain needs to be looked into or changed in some cases. How can companies tap into this market without meeting the bottom line? This is a significant change. So most of the companies do not completely pivot to this model immediately. Most of them actually kind of have a certain section of the portfolios catering to this particular model. Now, in order to kind of have more aspects in terms of margin, you can actually look into things like introducing a diverse portfolio so that you can meet the requirements of customers from different kind of preferences and budgets and so on and so forth. You could actually implement subscription models that allow monthly fees and also providing predictability and kind of affordability. You can also provide value-added services in terms of delivery, the setup, the maintenance, and even kind of helping in customers kind of recycling these products or kind of helping them coming back to their facilities. Their next option would be in terms of customization. Especially in the case of renting of furniture, there can be custom options that can be explode as well for the customer. And also by providing a digital platform and making it much easier or seamless for the customer to kind of sign up for a subscription model or kind of add-on services that actually can get more traffic into your websites and ultimately kind of help you with your margin.